I'm here today with a personal story, one that might resonate with many of you. I've recently been diagnosed with dermatomyositis. It's an autoimmune condition that's been quite a challenge. It affects my muscle cells, causing significant weakness, and every day brings new challenges, as tasks that used to be simple now feel like climbing mountains. My skin is also struggling with rashes and discomfort. Dermatomyositis is a rare condition. Around 1 in every 100,000 people develops in each year. Although symptoms can often be managed with long-term medications and physical therapy, because the cause is unknown, it is said that there is no cure for dermatomyositis. The journey is more than just the physical symptoms. It's an emotional and a mental journey too. This experience isn't just mine. I know it mirrors what many of you might be facing. The sudden appearance of symptoms, adjusting to a new bodily changes, and finding the strength to carry on each day are things a lot of us go through. Even with my 30 plus years as Qigong teacher, where I rarely fell ill, this disease has taken me by surprise. It's a reminder that these things can happen, especially to those over 40 who are pushing hard daily. Being in this position now, I understand the struggles and the challenges it brings. Going through this has really opened my eyes to what others face in their health journeys. I believe that through medical treatment and therapy, the symptoms can be managed, but they cannot bring full recovery and cure for many conditions. Medications also bring massive side effects in most scenarios. I know that is not a way for me and many of you to live with. One thing has always been true throughout my life. I don't give up easily in tough situations. I've always found a way to rise above and reclaim my strength. I've done it before, and I'm determined to do it again, through the way that I believe and live my whole life. But there is something different this time. You can be part of this journey with me. That's why I created this 30-day rejuvenation pilot program. It's more than a course. It's a reflection of my commitment to overcoming and thriving. And I'm inviting you to walk this path with me. Over these 30 days, you will gain insights from my extensive experience. You will learn practical techniques and strategies to handle difficult situations, and you will discover Qigong practices you can use daily to dramatically improve your health and quality of life. Most importantly, you will be with me on my healing journey. This is once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, as I can't say for sure if there will be another one. This program is your chance to be part of a real, transformative journey, both mine and potentially yours. It's an invitation to tap into the deep reserves of strength and resilience we all have. It's a chance to learn, grow, and heal together, with Qigong's principles and wisdom to guide us. Join me on this unique and potentially life-changing journey. Let's embrace this opportunity to actively participate in the process of recovery and rejuvenation. This is more than just a program. It's a joint expedition towards better health, inner peace, and resilience. I will be sharing my day-to-day experience with my condition, symptoms, treatment, and my healing experience on social media. These updates will give you a real glimpse into our collective experience with health and resilience. You will see the challenges, the breakthroughs, and how I applying Qigong and holistic practices in real-life situations. This journey is for all of us to explore the many facets of healing, understanding that it's not just the physical, but emotional and the spiritual too. We'll discover the harmonizing power of holistic practices and learn not just to heal, but to thrive. I invite you to join me on this discovery and healing journey. Let's connect on social media, share our stories, and grow together. In 2024, let's embrace our health challenges and triumphs, finding strength and inspiration in our shared experience. Applications for the 30-day rejuvenation pilot program are still open. Seize this exceptional opportunity before it's gone. Don't miss your chance to join me on this unique and transformative journey. It's a rare chance to learn, grow, and heal together. Witness and join my healing journey with Qigong. Looking forward to welcoming you into this once-in-a-lifetime experience. 浑圆灵通，好了。